Soon, you'll both taste a dish. One by one, you'll be asked to reveal an ingredient that you think is in that dish. You'll keep going in turns until one of you reveals an ingredient that's not in that dish. The first person to do that will be eliminated right here and right now. This is the Culinary World's version of a penalty shootout. Gary and George will lead you through the test. Good luck.
Thank you, Sarah. All for us. Gary and George, come in front of us and place the big pot on the stovetop. All I can think now is what's in that.
So here we are, just the two of you out of the top 6 facing elimination. In front of you, there is a pot. What's in the pot? 18 various ingredients. One at a time, you will identify an ingredient in that dish. In front of George and I are 18 plates, and on each plate, there is one ingredient. The first person who incorrectly identifies one of those ingredients goes home.
That pot contains your fate. Please step forward and take the lid off.
We have a look inside. Straight away, I could tell what that was. Coming from an Italian background, I could smell it. Is it a minestrone soup?
Correct. It's not just a minestrone soup. It's my best friend, Steve. It's his mother's recipe, stemming from the region of Calabria. Guys, I'd get in there and look around, okay? It's not your typical minestrone. And just remember, there's 18 ingredients in it. Do you get the aroma?
It was just all vegetables. There's loads of stuff we can see.
Somebody has to kick this little exercise off. So Sam, please taste and identify, if you can, the first of those 18 ingredients in the minestrone.
No problem. The first ingredient I'll say is celery.
Celery.
Yes, celery.
Sure?
Yeah, I am. I am sure. Thank God for that, Gary.
Celery is in the minestrone soup.
Thank you.
Poh, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
All right, you're second up. You can begin to taste.
Name the obvious. You don't want to risk being eliminated so early on.
Carrot?
Carrot. You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
100%? Carrot is in the minestrone.
Very soon, one of us will be going home. We know we're going to go head-to-head.
Sam?
Yes, Gary.
Time to identify the third ingredient.
Yeah, onion.
Sure?
Yes.
Onion. Well done, Sam.
Poh, can you please identify the fourth ingredient?
Zucchini?
Zucchini.
Well done. 4 down, 14 to go. How hard can it be? Remember, this early on, you need to be absolutely 100% sure. Sam?
Potato.
Potato.
Thank you.
Potatoes.
Poh.
Tomato?
Tomato. Tomato.
Green beans.
Green beans.
Green beans.
Green beans.
Thank you.
Well done, Sam.
Poh. The ingredient?
Basil.
Basil it is.
Sam?
The next one, I'll guess, is olive oil.
Olive oil it is.
Flat leaf parsley.
Parsley. Flat leaf parsley it is. Well done, Poh. Good stuff.
Let's have a good taste. Let's make sure that you really think about this.
There's cannellini beans.
Not white beans,
No, it's not.
black-eyed beans. Definitely cannellini beans.
Definitely.
Fingers crossed. Cannellini beans.
Thanks, Gary.
Well done, Sam.
Thank you.
11 ingredients down, 7 to go. You gonna have a taste?
No.
No. Very confident.
Very risky.
I'm going to go with Parmesan cheese.
Well, the Italians make a lot of cheeses. Mozzarella, pecorino, Parmesan, pecorino. Very similar flavours.
I usually put Parmesan in my minestrone and
Parmesan cheese, you're right, well done.
Sam?
Yep.
6 ingredients left. It's getting harder now, isn't
It
it?
certainly is, yeah.
You make one mistake on this, you're not going any further in the competition.
I know.
How does that make you feel?
Like I don't want to make a mistake right now.
Tell me what the next ingredients is, Sam.
Sure. Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yes.
Cabbage. Let's hope there's cabbage in this minestrone. Cabbage.
Awesome.
Oh,
Wow, there's 5 to go. You guys are really nailing it. Poh? What's the next ingredient?
I'm going to go with barley.
Can you see it and taste it in there?
Yes.
Very confident, Poh. Poh, there's no barley in the minestrone. It's farro.
Are you serious?
yep.
It's finished. So,
I am eliminated. Sudden death.
that was my next guess.
Poh? Just been knocked out over a grain that's very, very similar to barley. Farro, it's traditional, especially in central and southern Italy. That was going to be the tough ingredient because you know why? You needed a knowledge of Italian cuisine to be able to really pick that one out. What would have been your second choice?
I was just going to go for stock.
And behind that?
Salt, pepper,
And behind that?
garlic.
That is all 18 ingredients.
Now I'm getting emotional, sorry.
When I realised my MasterChef journey is over, I'm very philosophical about it, and I kind of, for some reason, felt like maybe it was my time to go.
You all right, Poh?
I've just felt quite torn, not being able to, paint and being here, but the reason why I came here was because I felt very strong pull towards the food industry to a point where it was distracting me quite a lot with my painting. So they're just two things that I just genuinely love.
What does the immediate future hold for you?
Immediate future is basically to go to my mum's house. She has got so many recipes I need to write down that she's cooked for me since I was a child. And I just really want to go there and get those recipes down. It's actually very, very important to me.
I've still got images of you putting ketchup manis on a plate back in Adelaide.
Chicken, mayonnaise, aioli, what was it?
Absolutely disgusting. But then,
So good.
boom, we got this dish that absolutely blew us all away. It was the dish of the tour.
That's the sort of dish that I've really hoped that we'd find in this competition.
Good luck for the future. We're definitely going to miss you.
Thanks, George.
You know what I think of you, and I think whatever you want to do with food or whatever it is, just go for it, because you are truly amazing. You've done amazingly well through this competition, so good luck. I'll miss you.
I don't really know what to say except that thank you so much for mentoring us.
Poh, it's time for you to leave the MasterChef kitchen. We're going to miss you. Best of luck.
Thanks, Gary.
Thank you, Poh.
Thank you.
See you, mate.
Yeah.